Welcome to Happy Hour with Luigi, the Italian cooking guy. Obviously, I already had a couple, but I felt compelled to share my special recipe with you guys. So, here we are. Are you ready? First of all, the Tito's. Don't deviate. It stays in the freezer at all times. You understand? It will not crack the glass. You could use this shit as alcohol to purify wounds and stuff, you know? So, in the freezer. See the frost? That's real. Just came out of the freezer. Huh? I got any more teeth before? Little olives, maybe? All right, no, seriously. This is the best of the best right here. And it's gluten-free for all you gluten-free people, Marcus. Okay? Here, we're good? Okay. Do I need to give any shout-outs to my friend Anthony? Anthony, I hope you're doing well. And, you know, all my other friends, my friend Carlos, who I hold it in my heart right now, and my brothers, who I call my sisters because sometimes they're meze femina. Don't rush me, Kimber lady. We got time. We got nothing but time. We're on a quarantine. As long as you're healthy, you got time. So, I think I will make this drink for you guys to show you the best dirty vodka martini on the planet. Not in the United States, not here, not there. In the excuse me. I said fuck. You go in the fudging world. Okay. You guys think I'm nuts? And by the way, guys, I introduced my fish to you guys maybe about 3 years ago, and some guy said, "Oh, if you pet your fish, he'll die." Well, guess what? He's still alive and he's thriving. He came from Connecticut, New York to Florida. And there's Jeff. Watch Jeff. You want to see Jeff? Oh, don't touch your fish. Oh, look, I'm petting him. He loves it. That's how Jeff and I have such a fabulous relationship. Jeff is over 5 years old, but this pizzagats. Oh, don't touch your fish. You don't know my fish. You don't know me. Okay? That's Jeff. He balances me out a little bit. All right. I had a couple too many martinis, but you know, I'm going to have one more just for you guys because I want you to guys enjoy the deliciousness of a Tito's vodka martini dirty. Okay? Just don't let them catch you riding dirty because, you know, you'll be all hemmed up against the front fender of your car in cuffs. Now, see, because for you guys, I'm going to put, whoop, okay, dirty. Hold on. Okay. That was the delicious manzanilla olive stuffed with minced pimento. I don't even know what the fuck that, I don't even know what the fudge that means. Pimento. Oh, that's the stuff in the cold cuts we used to have when I was a little, you know, we're Italian, so we used to get cold cut and add pimento. What is pimento? I don't know. I'll have to Google it later. And these, hold on, these are cocktail onions. I said medallion onions before during another thing, but I put tree, 2 tree, see? And then I get the juice. Huh? A couple little teaspoons, but I already poured some in, so that wasn't a full teaspoon. Okay? So watch this. Watch how thick this stuff is. Watch. When it's frozen. Oh, it's a little watery. I guess it's been sitting here too long, but watch. And watch how, you see how it separates in the glass with the warmth? It almost looks like it's freaking oil. Hold on, a little more. Oh, that's enough. Should we do a little bit for me? Oh, no, we won't do a little bit for me. Okay. So, we're gonna mix that up. Okay, hey guys. Please make sure you're self-quarantining. Don't go outside. I don't want any of my fans, friends, family getting sick or dying. I know the death rate at this point is minimal, but nonetheless, people are still dying. So, today, I have a very... Hold on. Wait a minute. Let me get... You know, I get ahead of myself. I got... What do I got? OCD, ADD. I got it all. So, hold on. This is fantastic. Right? This is dirty. You see the color of it? It's not frost. No, it's not. It's dirty. Okay? And that's the one I've been looking for. Right here. Salud. Rocco, come on down, buddy. Come on. I want you guys to meet a special friend of mine, okay? Come here. It's Rocco, Luigi the Italian cooking guy. Come here. Oh, you want this? Oh, you want to play games in front of the camera? Good. Let's see. Can you give me a high five? Yeah, you could. That is Rocco. I love this guy. I love him. Okay. He is a rescue from East Haven, Connecticut. A little shout out to East Haven. Of course, East Haven, a lot of Goombas. You know, his name is Rocco. What is his name going to be? I don't know. Bartholomew? Bartholomew? I don't know. No, his name's Rocco. Marco, Giuseppe, Rocco. What? Forget about it. All right, guys. The martini, out of this planet, okay? This will get you banged up, as you can see. Okay? Tito's. So very nice and cool. Excuse me. The pimento olives. Okay, you got a little red thing in there. We used to get this stuff. It was called like it was bologna, but it had these things that you could slice it. Pimento. I'll give you pimento. And these are cocktail onions. Marietta. No. How do you pronounce that, camera lady?
Mazzetta.
Oh yeah, well, I'm looking at it. Listen. Give me a break. I'm looking at it upside down. Give me that much. Please, just give me that much. Mazzetta, okay? Okay, so that is how you make the perfect martini. And if you guys want to see more of Jeff and that guy who said, "Oh my God, you're good." Okay, we got a little public safety. I'm not even going there. If you guys want to meet Jeff again, Jeff's over 5 years old. I don't even think these guys are supposed to live that long. I brought him from Connecticut to Florida in a power shake. Don't stop. In a power shake thermos mixer thing. And Jeff is still hanging tough. His color is beautiful. His water's good. I didn't change the water since we've been here. And he lets me pet him. So that guy who said, "Oh, you're going to kill your fish. You're abusing your fish." Does he look like he's abused? He eats better than me. He gets attention. I walk up to the glass. He starts flipping around. He's happy to see me. Comes up to the top. Comes out of his tiki. And comes up to the top so I pet him. He actually comes up to the top so I pet him. But in any event, I'm going to go drink these martinis. This martini and teenies, because I'll probably make another one. All right? So that, my friends, is how you make the perfect martini. Okay? So, stato buon, my paisans, and we'll see you soon. I'm the Luigi, the Italian cooking guy, and you can find my videos on YouTube. Give me the address. Well, talking to you, camera lady. What? Ugats. What Luigi the Italian cooking guy on YouTube. Look him up. He's a funny son of a bitch, I tell you, son of a bitch. So, my